Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your PayPal account. The first thing I want you to do is come to the PayPal website, paypal.com, and then come to the top right and click on login. Log in with your email and password, and then once you are on your dashboard, what I need you to do is come here, the top right. You'll actually see this gear cog. This will take you to your settings. And once you click here on settings, you will be taken to this page. So you can see my account settings, and then you scroll down until you see the account options. And here you'll actually see close your account. I want you to just go ahead and click on close your account, and it'll ask you if you're sure that you want to close your account, because once you close it, right, once you click on this, you will not be able to use this PayPal account or see your past transaction, and it cannot be reopened. So once you click on close your account, then you'll get a confirmation email that your account has been closed. Otherwise, it's really easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.